In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cold calls using Apollo.io and the Salesfinity Parallel Dialer. Cold calling can be an essential part of your sales strategy, helping you connect with potential clients or customers directly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to streamline this process using the tools available through these platforms. To begin, log into your Apollo account. Once you're logged in, head over to the People section. Here, you'll want to apply specific filters to narrow down your list of potential contacts. Consider filtering by industry to target those who are more likely to be interested in your offering. You should also filter by job title to ensure you're reaching the decision makers. Filtering by company size can help you tailor your pitch. And finally, location filters might be beneficial if you're working within specific geographic parameters. Once you've applied these filters, you need to save your qualified prospects to a list. This is crucial because Apollo's bulk dialing features only work with saved contacts. Take a moment to review your list to ensure that it aligns with your sales goals. With your list in hand, it's time to verify the phone numbers. Go through each contact and check that their phone numbers are available and accurate. Prioritize direct and mobile numbers, as these can often lead to a more successful connection. Ensuring that your data is accurate is a critical step before proceeding with your calls. Next, you'll need to connect Apollo with Salesfinity. Start by creating a Salesfinity account if you don't already have one. Both platforms offer integration options, so seamlessly connect your Apollo account to Salesfinity. This integration is particularly advantageous as it allows you to import your Apollo contact list into Salesfinity. This setup enables you to run parallel dialing workflows, making the entire calling process more efficient and allowing Salesfinity to automatically update call activities. With everything set up, prepare a call list that's focused and tailored to your targets. Examples of such lists might include SaaS CEOs, marketing directors, HR managers, and agency owners. It's important to avoid mixing very different buyer personas within the same call block, as this can cause confusion and decrease the effectiveness of your outreach. Now let's configure the parallel dialer in Salesfinity. Open the contact list you've imported and select the parallel dialing option. You'll need to decide on the number of simultaneous dials to make. It's best to balance efficiency with the ability to manage the calls effectively. Set up call disposition options to categorize the results of each call. Lastly, if it's legally appropriate in your jurisdiction, you may want to enable call recording, as this can be useful for training and quality assurance purposes. And there you have it, a streamlined method for making cold calls using Apollo.io and the Salesfinity Parallel Dialer. Following these steps will help you approach your cold calling strategy with confidence and organization. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your sales efforts.